Guys, welcome back to the channel. Chad here. If this is your first time, welcome to the channel. If you're returning to my channel and you have not subscribed, guys, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the like button on this video, get it out, it really helps. Today, I'm going to talk about my update on Mounjaro. I'm super sorry, guys, that it's been so long. It seems like it's been a couple of weeks so far. Life has been busy. Had puppy problems with our 7-month-old female German Shepherd, navigating through that. So nevertheless, I'm going to give you my update on Mounjaro 15 milligrams since I got back on it about a month ago. So stay tuned right after this intro. Give a little quick update. Where am I at on Mounjaro 15 milligrams? How's it affecting me? Is my blood sugars doing really well? Is my weight stable? I was off Mounjaro for about a month, got back on it, and I just want to share with you what I've been dealing with. My average A1C off of my Freestyle Libe, which is right here on my chest. I did do a review on optimal placement on the Freestyle Libe 3. I've had the first generation, second generation. I'm on the third one. I've had a lot of problems with it. But as I started putting it on my chest and alternating, I haven't had a whole lot of issues. Definitely no compression issues as far as misreadings or anything like that. So go check the video out. I think it was a couple videos back that I posted. Now, my average A1C is about 153. It's been better. I believe before I left Mounjaro, it was way better than that. I was waking up with fasting blood sugars down to like 70, 80. They run somewhere now, mid 90s to 127, 120 around there, which is completely fine for me. My endocrinologist did tell me that they want to keep it above 100 because they did see a lot of low readings on my last A1C. So completely fine with that. The appetite suppressant is still good for me. I still get full, a lot fuller than I used to before I took Mounjaro. I will say that last night, actually, I went to a Mexican restaurant yesterday, and I love hot salsa. I eat a lot of hot salsa. The hotter, the better. And I know a lot of you guys may be that type of person. You guys might be able to relate with me and say, I love hot salsa just like you do. But then again, some of you guys may not even be able to touch medium salsa. Anything that even has any peppers in it, that may be you. Well, for me, I've always liked it. Long story short, I got some salsa last night and it was just one ramekin. Didn't even eat it all. And I got home last night and I started feeling this major, horrible, and it's not the first time this has happened, but it's been a while, horrible cramping in my stomach, like a knife just going right through. And this went on for like an hour. I tried to use the restroom. I couldn't even use the restroom because I was so constipated, which is a side effect of Mounjaro. The higher the dosage you get, the more constipation. Now, I've done a review in the past. I've done videos on side effects, how to combat it, how to take things to help offset those side effects. I have not had any side effects since I started Mounjaro, again, a month ago. With that said, I have not taken any of the things to help with the side effects. So last night I had a horrible side effect. Constipation with horrible cramping. And I'm telling you guys, it was so bad. This went on for like an hour and a half, 2 hours, and could not get no relief. On top of that, I started feeling a lot of gas, like in my stomach. I kept burping and just trying to get relief. And I took some medicine with no avail, and I just kept burping and trying to burp it up. So the burping was going on, constipation was going on. The night before, I have not experienced this in years. I used to struggle with acid reflux. I got on a medication a very long time ago, never really dealt with it ever since, and I'm talking 10 plus years ago. And the night before last, I woke up in the middle of the night, coming right up my throat, and man, it burned. And so that was 2 nights ago. Last night, before I even went to bed, I was dealing with constipation. I was dealing with the gas, the burps, and all I could taste was that hot salsa. And I knew I was going to be in very, very, very big trouble going to sleep. I ended up, before the night was over, going to the restroom and vomiting. Vomited it all out. And I'm so sorry if this is disgusting to you, if this is very graphic to you. You can go ahead and shut this video off because I'm not trying to offend you and upset you, but I'm just being real and telling you this is my experience with Mounjaro, because it was a side effect from the Mounjaro and really, really bad judgment on what I ate last night. With that said, I felt really, really good after I vomited, but my nose was burning from all the salsa. So anyways, guys, little side story for you. You probably didn't want to hear that, but it is what it is. And maybe you're dealing with this yourself. But anyways, guys, I'm back on Mounjaro, 15 milligrams. My blood sugars are doing better. They are averaging, as I said, in the 150s. So that puts my A1C, I believe, the last time I checked, somewhere around 6 point something. It was down to 5.3. I'm okay as long as I'm under 7. I'm still good. So everything's going good so far, guys. Glad to be back on it. I'm on my second box now. I did get 3 months supply. So go ahead and drop a comment below and let me know, what dosage are you currently on? What side effects are you dealing with right now? Do you feel, as I felt last night, the horrible cramping knife feeling in your stomach sometimes? And let's go ahead and help the community out with foods that you have discovered that has been really, really bad with Mounjaro. As I stated, my experience, Mexican food, hot acidic foods like salsa, that is a big no-no for me. And I will make sure that I remember going forward that I do not repeat that. So anyways, guys, I hope you've had a great last 2 weeks. I'm sorry again that I haven't been on here. I'm gonna start making more videos again. I'm gonna be doing more reviews. So anyways, guys, thanks for staying to the end, and I will catch you on the next video. See you.